Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the class is or not registered error you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So the full error message would say explorer.exe, class not registered. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select on the left side, you want to select the top menu icon and then select apps. On the right side, select default apps. And then you want to scroll down on the right all the way to the bottom and select where it says reset all default apps. Go ahead and select reset and then select OK. Once you're done with that, close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scanl. Scanl should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.